Right now, Cronkite News is taking a look at Phoenix-based nonprofit Peacework Medical, a group that specializes in medical care for members of the LGBTQ+ community who are also undocumented. Reporter Austin Westfall spoke with patients and volunteers at the group's monthly clinic on Sunday. Austin?
Peacework is in its 5th year of offering the clinic, and those in the LGBTQ+ and undocumented communities who make regular visits say it offers them a safe place to get treatment free of charge.
In the current political climate, anyone with brown skin is getting screamed at, told to go home. And so the fear of just coming to see the doctor can keep people away.
But at Peacework, the doors are wide open. The volunteer-run Phoenix Clinic treats patients who are LGBTQ and many times also undocumented.
We offer primary care of all kinds, and primarily we also offer gender transition care.
When do you want to pick up the prescription?
Open since 2015, patients say they come to Peacework to get the care they simply can't get anywhere else. For some, it's their last resort after having trouble communicating about their health concerns with primary care physicians in other clinics.
We don't have a lot of doctors that are competent with transgender issues.
About their gender, their sexuality, their migrant status.
Essentially,
Francisco Luna is a patient at Peacework, but he also volunteers at the clinic as a translator when there's a language barrier. His family came to the U.S. from Sonora, Mexico in 2001 after discovering he was going blind in his left eye.
So in Mexico, they never had a clue as to what it was. They just thought it was really nearsighted. And so once I was here, it was identified.
Doctors in Arizona knew how to help Luna, but he was undocumented and he had no health insurance. Now he's blind in his left eye.
Having access to the money, it was impossible. So I made the personal decision to not have the surgery.
Peaceworks is scheduled to see 22 patients, and most of them are transgender. Group leaders say that's because they offer something that other clinics don't.
They didn't understand me. They sent me to therapy, and they kind of thought that this is not what I wanted. They were trying to change the way I viewed stuff.
Amber Martinez didn't get the hormone treatment she wanted until she discovered Peacework 2 months ago. She knew she was transgender from a young age.
Okay, we'll do noon.
Living most of her life feeling miserable and uncomfortable in her own skin.
Ever since I was younger, I always felt different from everybody else. And in a way, I feel like they're making my dreams come true.
Now, Peaceworks works closely with Trans Queer Pueblo, a Latinx social justice organization. The clinic is funded completely by donations and grants, opening their doors to all patients the first Sunday of every month. In the broadcast center, Austin Westfall, Cronkite News.